Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your affiliate marketing with ClickBank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ClickBank account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Marketplace option. In the Marketplace, you will see various categories. Choose a niche that aligns with your strengths and interests. Filtering by popularity or gravity can help identify top-performing products. Examine the sales pages of these products. Make sure they are professionally designed and persuasive. Take note of the commission rates for each product. Once you've selected a product, click the Promote button. A pop-up window will appear, asking for your account nickname. Enter your nickname and generate your unique affiliate link. Copy this link and save it for later use. Next, create a marketing strategy to promote the product. Consider using a blog, social media, or email marketing. Develop compelling content that adds value to your audience. Share genuine experiences and insights related to the product. Use your affiliate link naturally within your content. Track your performance by monitoring click-through rates and conversions. Adjust your marketing tactics based on this data. Experiment with different promotional channels for better outreach. Consider collaborating with influencers in your niche for expanded reach. Regularly evaluate your results to optimize your strategy. Continuously educate yourself about new trends and techniques in affiliate marketing. Stay persistent and keep refining your approach for sustained success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.